Hey y'all, this Rosa with a cooking video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on that bell to be notified when I drop the video. So in here, you guys, I got a pound of ground beef. It was this roll of hamburger. I had this roll of hamburger and I just cut it in half. Cause only 2 people eating. Donovan don't want to eat dinner, so he is this on his own tonight. So I got some onions, green pepper. I put a little black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder. And tonight is sloppy joe and french fries. For tonight you gonna need a can of the original manwich original sauce. And I also got the sloppy joe mixed seasoning, so I'm gonna put it in my hamburger. So season to your own taste, you guys. You know, I'm letting that brown up. So yeah, once this brown, I will bring y'all back when I pour the seasoning pack and the manwich sauce in here. And then I'm gonna cook my fries in the air fryer. Quick, simple, easy dinner tonight. So stay tuned. Be right back. Okay, y'all. So I drained my hamburger off. So now I'm about to add some sugar in here. This so people won't have no heartburn. You know. No, that's enough sugar. And now I'm about to pour this sauce. I'm gonna pour the sauce in. So I got 2 cans just in case I need it, but I doubt if I need it. Damn. So my phone rings. Sorry, y'all. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water in here. I just add some water in the can. Like that, like so. Mixy. Taste your food as you go. It might need some more sauce. I'm gonna let this simmer for now. Make sure you mix it all up. You know it's not gonna be sweet. Follow my steps. You'll have a good sloppy joe. So I got this mixed up. I'll bring y'all back with the finished product. And I'm gonna put these fries in the air fryer. And yeah, this is dinner. So be right back. I'm gonna add a little pepper in here too. So I got a pepper. Be right back. Okay, you guys. So I added my seasoning mix in here. The mix. I added it in there with a little water. Now I'm just mixing it on up. Now I'm gonna just let that cook real good, and then I will bring y'all back when it's time to add this in there. So I will bring y'all back. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So I got these crinkle cut fries. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. That's what I'm gonna eat with my sausage dough. I'm not gonna make a lot of fries. I'm gonna use about this much. Cause it's just me eating this. I got that many. So put it on. I'm gonna set it to 100 for 15 minutes and I'll bring y'all back. Press start. Okay, yeah, this is the finished product. My sloppy joe, I put some shredded cheese on top. And I got some fries right there. And yeah, this is what your girl eating for dinner tonight. I had taste for sloppy joe fries. And I put ketchup on my fries just a little bit. Who else do that? Comment down below. Y'all want some? That's the touches. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all see that? Yeah, buddy. Come to Rose's house. You'll get a plate. Peace.